There are many possible production methods and materials for 3D printing humanoid social robots using custom designs. Here are some options to do it. Fused deposition modeling, one of the most affordable methods of 3D printing. Stereolithography. This is one of the most accurate methods. Selective laser sintering. This is one of the most versatile and durable methods of 3D printing. It involves fusing powdered material with a laser beam. Silicone foam. This is one of the most realistic and soft materials for creating humanoid social robots using custom designs. It involves injecting liquid silicone into a mold that contains a foam core. Silicone foam is suitable for creating the skin, muscles, fat, and organs of your robot. However, silicone foam has some challenges, such as complex molding process, high material cost, and difficulty of integration with other parts. As you can see, 3D printing humanoid robot companions using custom designs is a fascinating and innovative idea that could revolutionize the field of social robotics. By 3D printing your own robot, you can have a unique and personalized companion that looks and behaves exactly like you want. You can also experiment with different designs and materials to create the best robot for you. 3D printing humanoid social robots using custom designs is not only a fun and creative activity, but also a potential way to improve your life and well-being. So what are you waiting for? Start 3D printing your own robot today.